Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez and welcome to The Lens of Truth.
Lens of Truth is here. Welcome to our Hylian family. The Lens of Truth is here. Welcome to our Hylian family. Let's have fun chatting, gaming, discuss pop culture, and chill.
And it is the holiday season, and here is a compilation of all of the video game related holiday slash Christmas drawings that I've done on this channel, and there's a lot more. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this compilation of all this fan art that I've drawn. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. Now, happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching. Consider hitting the like button, ringing that bell for notifications, and consider becoming a member with one of my tiers for this channel. So, let's get to it. Alright, so let's begin with the classic fire flower from the Super Mario Bros. Series. Now this one was a very simple one to do. I wanted to start off with something easy like this iconic power-up and putting a simple Santa hat on, and it was really fun to do. And then I even converted this fire flower by just switching up the colors to make it into the ice flower, which was another later power-up in the new Super Mario Bros. Series. So this was a pretty cool color swap that I ended up adding some sparkles on the sides to make it look icy. Now next on this list is the adorable Goomba. Another classic enemy from the original Super Mario Bros. Games, and another simple character because he's actually not that complicated, and he looks really goofy but also adorable at the same time with this Santa hat on. And again, I did this with Procreate. I started off with an outline and then filled in the solid colors with the eyedropper tool and just drag and drop the colors, and then added a little bit of some contrast with the shadows, some darker tones, and even some textures in the Santa hat as well, and even some sketchy lines to give it a little bit more of a texture. Now up next is Cappy from Super Mario Odyssey.
It's time to jump up in the air. Jump up, don't be scared. Jump up and you can't just away. And if the dark clouds start to swirl, don't feel the giant tear going. I'll be your one up girl. So let's all jump up super high, high up in the sky.
Now this one was an idea with my nephew who said, hey, how about you turn Cappy into a Santa hat, and that would be really funny. And actually it worked out because it was also very simple to do. Those iconic eyes that he has just fit well with the Santa hat theme. So yeah, this was Cappy as a Santa hat. Alright, let's switch gears to The Legend of Zelda, and this one, we're drawing young Link. Now this was a fun one to do because all I did was turn his green cap, which already looks like a Santa hat, with just adding the little puff ball at the very end. And again, it also kind of resembles the red tunic that he gets as an adult. So this was a fun one to do. Young Link is a classic Nintendo character from the Ocarina of Time. And I made him extra happy, I made him smile really big, and I made his eyes extra wide, and I just had fun doing this one in my own style. Now finally, let's get on with Megaman. And then specifically, this is the 8-bit version of him, or the classic style from the original Nintendo series from the NES. And because we are going to be getting a Mega Man game from him finally, after a long time, I had to do this one, and he fits perfectly well with a Santa hat. So he looks very happy, and just that anime style that he has with his big smile, it fits very well, and I enjoyed doing this one. And this one I went in a little bit more detailed with the blue outline of the pencil and then drawing the black and dark blue outlines on top of it. So it was a quick sketch at the bottom, layered it on top, and then started doing the colors. This is one of my favorite ones that I've done. So let me know what you guys think. Happy holidays, comment down below. And if you are into all of these art related drawings and fan art, I do have an entire playlist available in my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.